आमदार कार्लोस फेरेरान गोंयभरातल्या रस्त्यांचे औतिकायेविशीं निवेदन सादर केले। रस्त्यांच्या स्थितीविशीं उलयतना मुख्यमंत्र्यान भौशीक बांदकाम खात्याचे कार्यकारी, सहाय्यक, तंत्रीक आनी कनिश्ठ अभियंत्यांक जापसालदार करचे, तशेंच PWDच्या वयल्या पावंड्यावयल्या अधिकाऱ्यां आड कारवाय करची, अशें आमदार कार्लोस उलयलो।
I've seen the statement of the Honorable Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant, saying that contractors should carry out the works of repairing of the roads immediately, and that the government has appointed Engineers India to make an assessment of the condition of the roads across Goa. I say that this is something which is shocking because the Chief Minister himself knows that the roads condition is assessed every day by the junior engineers, the AEs and the executive engineers on the ground, and they are the ones who know what is the condition of the road every day as they pass by on it or they work in the field, including the TAs who are involved. They know where the contract has been given. They also know what are the time frames and the guarantees and the warranties which have been given by the contractor. To ask an external agency to start now reviewing this will require correspondence, examination, inspections, and this will all take time, which means next financial year the works of the roads will perhaps be proposed, considered, budgeted, tendered, and then finally executed another year later. So which means nothing will happen for the next 2 years. If we need work to be done immediately, I want to say one thing: the inefficient engineers must go home. These inefficient engineers are sitting and collecting pay at the end of the month. First person's head who should roll is the principal chief engineer, Mr. Parsekar, who is on extension and extension. Why should he be there in the chair if he cannot perform? If you roll the head of the principal chief engineer, everybody will fall in line. We have seen the condition of the roads across Goa not just today. It is going on for the several years. And across Goa, this is what I have seen myself. And if he cannot make sure that the roads are in good condition, it is time for him to pack up, and there is no reason for the government to claim that it is in public interest that they are giving him. What is the public interest? There must be some other interest which the chief engineer, principal chief engineer is getting an extension time and again. Stop this thing, and once you have this accountability which goes to the top, everybody down the line will fall in place. I call upon the Honorable Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant, to take action to immediately relieve the Principal Chief Engineer and ensure that promotions are made timely and properly for those deserving, and the department will work happily and will make sure that all this corruption which is going on will stop and our roads will be perfect as they were before.